The next problem is solve the difference equation un plus 2 minus 5 un plus 1 plus 6 un equal to 2, where u0 is equal to 3 and u1 is equal to 7. The first step is we need to apply Z transform on both sides. So therefore the solution is, so Z transform of un plus 2 minus 5 times Z transform of this sequence un plus 1 plus 6 times Z transform of the sequence un is equal to Z transform of the right hand side is 2, Z transform of 2. So Z transform of 2 Z transform of un plus 2 is Z square times u of z minus the initial value of the sequence u0 minus u1 divided by z minus 5 times Z transform of un plus 1 is z power 1, that is z, into u of z minus u0 plus 6 times Z transform of the sequence un is a function of z, that is u of z, which is equal to 2 is a constant and Z transform of 1 is z by z minus 1. So therefore 2 by, so this is 2, right? So z by 2 into z by z minus 1. So therefore we have z square into u of z, z square into u of z minus u0 is 3, so 3 into z square, 3z square minus u1 is 7, 7 divided by z into z square is 7z. So z square by z is z, so minus 7z minus 5z into u of z minus into minus plus 5z into u0 is 3, so 3 5s are 15 plus 15z plus 6 times u of z is equal to 2z by z minus 1. So from these three terms I will take u of z common, so therefore remainder is z square if you take u of z common and minus 5z, z square minus 5z. Similarly here it is 6 plus 6, so the common one is u of z, which is equal to 2z by z minus 1. So now these three terms, 3z square minus 7z plus 15z, so minus 3z becomes plus 3z square in the right hand side. So plus 15 minus 7 is 8z. If you bring to the right hand side, 8z becomes minus 8z in the right hand side. This you can factorize. The factors of 6 are 3 into 2, minus 3 into minus 2, minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5. Therefore the factorization of z square minus 5z plus 6 is z minus 2 into z minus 3. So minus 3 into minus 2 is plus 6, minus 3 plus minus 2 is minus 5. So this is the factors of this into u of z, which is equal to z minus 1 is the LCM. So then 2z here plus 3z square into z minus 1 is 3z cube minus 3z square. Then minus 8z into z minus 1 is minus into minus 8z square. So minus into minus plus 8z into 1 is 8z. So this therefore z minus 2 into z minus 3 into u of z will be equal to, so 3z cube, I will write this highest power first, 3z cube, then z square minus 8z square is minus 11z square, then 8z plus 2z is 10z, so whole divided by z minus 1. Now bring these two factors to the other side, therefore u of z is equal to 3z cube minus 11z square plus 10z divided by z minus 1 into z minus 2 into z minus 3. Z minus 3. So let us resolve u of z into partial fractions as a times z by z minus 1 plus b times z by z minus 2 plus c times z by z minus 3. So therefore u of z by z will be equal to, so divide by z, so 3z square minus 11z plus 10. So this is same, z minus 1, z minus 2 and z minus 3. So which is equal to, if you divide by z, if you cancel z, a by z minus 1 plus b by z minus 2 plus c by z minus 3. So we can write this numerator 3z square minus 11z plus 10 as a into z minus 1. So remove z minus 1 here, z minus 2 into z minus 3 plus b into z minus 1 into z minus 3 plus c into z minus 1 into z minus 2. Z minus 2. So if you give the suitable values to a, b, c, that means if you substitute a equal to 2, if you substitute z equal to 2, so this term and this term get cancels, you will find b. Similarly, if you substitute z equal to 1, this term and this term cancels, you can find a. Similarly, if you substitute z equal to 3, 2, z equal to 2, this term get cancels, you will find b. Is it clear? So give these values to z. When z equal to 1, when z is equal to 1, z equal to 1, this is 3 minus 11 plus 10. So these two terms are 0. So z equal to 1 minus 1, z equal to 1 is minus 2, minus into minus, plus 2 into 1 is 2, 2a. So this is 10 plus 3, 13, minus 11 is 2, 2 is equal to 2a, therefore a is equal to 1. So similarly, if you give the other values to z like 2 and 3, you will find b and c. Here b will be 0 and c will be equal to 2. So therefore u of z can be written as a into z by z minus 1. A is 1, so z by z minus 1. So b is 0, 0 into anything is 0, so second term is 0, plus c is 2 into z by z minus 3. If you apply the inverse z transform on both sides, inverse z transform of u of z is the sequence un, which is equal to inverse z transform of z by z minus 1 is 1 plus 2 is a constant. Inverse z transform of z by z minus 3 is 3 power n. So this is the solution of the given difference equation.